How to turn on or off account notification on your Play Store. Go to Play Store. Here in Play Store, go to profile picture on the upper right side on your screen. And now here, go to settings. You can see below. Okay, go to settings. Here in settings, go to general. In general, go to notifications. Here in notifications, to turn on or off the account notifications, okay, you can see here the account. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. To turn on the switch button on the right side. And now here, you can see the allow notification. You'll have to do is switch on the switch button. And also, you can switch on the set to silent if you want. And okay, we have successfully turned on the account notification. If this turn on, notify about upcoming charge or problem with payment method. So if you want to turn off again, switch off the switch button and switch off the switch button on the right side of this allow notification to turn off the account notification on your Play Store.